Hello, my name is Bhumika Anand, and today we'll be discussing about the topic of functional dependency. So let's begin with it. Okay, so functional dependency in DBMS. So what do you understand by functional dependency? Let's first go through the formal definition of functional dependency. The attributes of a table is said to be dependent on each other when an attribute of a table uniquely identifies another attribute of the same table. So here we are talking about dependency and attributes. So first thing that you need to understand is that we are talking about the dependency of columns of a table. Okay, so I hope that most of you know what are attributes in a table. Attributes in a table are basically the columns of a table. So here we are talking about that how in a database management systems two attributes are said to be functionally dependent. So let's understand this topic of functional dependency with the help of an example. Okay, so whenever we have to like depict functional dependency, we actually depict it through this formal notation. That is, we say that x basically functionally determines y. So now I will help you to understand what is functional dependency with the help of an example. So let's suppose I have two columns x and y. X has all these entries, and y has some random entries. Okay, so whenever we say that x is determining y functionally, that means whenever we have given x given, like we have this quantity x with us. Okay, so we'll be able to find y from the table. We don't have to functionally compute y. This is not any computational sign. In terms of database management system, what functional dependency means is that whenever we have a given value of x from this table, we'll be able to find the value of attribute of y from the same table. Okay, and whenever we say that x functionally determines y, this means that if I have the value of x is 2, we have to check that what is the corresponding value of y for that given x value, that is 2 over here, same value. So now we'll say that x functionally determines y whenever we'll get this value 2 in the table, correspondingly we'll get the same value of y in the same table. That means, like, if I have another table, let's suppose this x values, and now we have corresponding 3 value. Okay, so let's check over here. Now we have x value given as 2, so we have to check whether x functionally determines y or not. So we can see that we have value 1 of y corresponding to the x value 2, and over here we have 3 value of y corresponding to x value of 2. That means that we have two given values for the same x value, which is not possible. So let's suppose we have a list of roll numbers in a given classroom, roll numbers. Okay, and we can have only one unique name corresponding to a roll number. Okay, so this is the example of functional dependency. This means that whenever we have the x value given, we must have the corresponding y value same. Okay, here x is called as the determinant and y is called as the dependent, right? Okay, so now we can see a table. As I was giving you an example of roll numbers, here we have employee number, which is 1, 2, 3. Here these are unique, and from this employee number we can correspondingly fetch the value of employee name. So let's suppose this is X and this is Y. So whenever I'll be finding I'll be giving you the X value is equal to 1 over here for this employee number, you'll be finding the same name corresponding to it, that is given Dana. Okay, so in the further video we'll be discussing about the type of functional dependencies that are available. Thank you so much.